Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. GEL billing electricity bills to consumers without work order. Charges department double rate as compared to previous agencies. Local players pushed out. CM assures truck owners to finalize transportation rates for carrying auctioned iron ore in Friday cabinet. Government begins with renewal process of 27 leases. Goa for Jabulim only slammed CM for Mopa assurance to Sindhudurg during election rally in Kankavli. Father Eremito calls on MLAs to get a clarification from CM. Attorney of Asgaon Komunidad says development of Komunidad land as per the law, only land of settlement zone taken for development, not forest. And FC Goa go down fighting to Chennai FC, but football wins in Indian Super League thriller at Fatoda. Now the news in detail. Goa government is getting the electricity billing work done from Goa Electronic Limited GEL at double rate. At present, GEL is proving twice costlier than the earlier agencies which were doing the billing work. Government had announced to hand over electricity billing to GEL after it received numerous complaints of late bills. But surprisingly, GEL has started with billing the consumers in some divisions without a work order. Watch Prudent's special report.
Government had earlier appointed 6 private agencies for handling billing of various divisions. They've allowed different rates as per the work. They were: government allotted 10 rupees 60 paise per bill to BCITS agency for spot billing with meter. Government allotted 4.60 paise for spot billing without meter. Some agencies charge government 2 rupees 25 paise for printing bills. GEL does the same work but charges 8 rupees 50 paise for printing bills. Meter reader of electricity department gets the reading and submits it to GEL. GEL prints the bill with this data and hands over the bill back to electricity department but charges rate applied for spot billing with meter reader. Now department has decided to employ 200 meter readers which will increase its workload and also increase the expenditure. GEL is already billing some divisions but without any work order. Electricity department sources confirm that GEL has begun with billing in some divisions without work orders. GEL electricity billing is underway at Ponda division. GEL is acquiring data from private agencies from other divisions. In absence of work order, GEL is lurking in dark and has no idea about their exact scope of work. GEL Chairman Dattaprasad Naik has assured to put an end to the billing woes within 6 months. He says GEL will not charge high.
40,000 कनेक्शनां जी आसा तांची ऑलरेडी बिल्स आमची रेडी आसा आनी उरिल्ली आर इन द प्रोसेस ती बेगीन जातली. वी आर चार्जिंग अ रेट ऑफ 8 रुपीज 50 पैसे. आय थिंक इट इज अ व्हेरी गुड रेट. BCITS जी पयलींची कंपनी आशिल्ली स्पॉट बिलिंग करताली दे वर चार्जिंग 10 रुपीज 50 पैसे एंड म्हाका दिसना ताज्याकूय सकल म्हणजे 8.5 रुपयांच्या सकल GELाक तरी आमकां परवडचें ना. And if anybody is doing anything below that, I don't think anybody can do below that. म्हळ्यार जर कोण करतालो ताज्या सकल सुद्दां इट इज नॉट स्पॉट बिलिंग. ते कन्वेंशन बील ते पयलीं तांबडें बील येतालें पळय ताजेर म्हाका दिसता ते कितें 4.5 रुपया चार्ज करताले, नॉट फॉर स्पॉट बिलिंग. आनी वी वील बी गिविंग गुड सर्विसीस. वी हॅव अ ट्रॅक रेकॉर्ड. तुमी पळयलां आसतलें लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम आसा, गृह आधार स्कीम आसा, मायनिंग डिपेंडमेंट. वी हॅव डन अ गुड जॉब इन ऑल दीस थिंग्स. सिमिलरली इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटाच्यो ज्यो लोकांच्यो ज्यो तक्रारी आसा about billing, सगळें streamline जातलें. So we assure you that everything will be streamlined in the coming 6 months.
At present, GEL is going ahead with billing without work order. In addition, Electricity Department is yet to receive pending data from expelled agencies to prepare their further bills. Now, we will have to see what kind of shocks consumer gets in future due to this difficult situation in Power Department. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Mines Department has begun with the process of renewal of 27 mining leases which have paid stamp duty. Government has already declared its mining lease renewal policy. As per sources, 27 mining leases will be renewed in compliance with the High Court order. Goa government has decided to go ahead with renewal of 27 mining leases as Supreme Court has not granted any stay till now despite of a petition by Goa Foundation opposing the renewals.
Goa government has begun the process of renewal of 27 mining leases which have paid stamp duty. Government has decided to renew mining leases under Section 8.3A of MMDR Act. State Mines Department is considering many aspects while renewing the mining leases, and they are High Court order which has permitted Goa government to begin with renewal of leases, policy declared by state government on mining leases renewal, environmental aspects which includes environment clearances. Highly placed source said that government has taken a step ahead towards leases renewal as Supreme Court has not granted any stay order in compliance to petition filed by Goa Foundation against renewals. Meanwhile, truck owners met Chief Minister Manor Parrikar demanding a solution and uniformity in transportation rates for carrying auctioned iron ore.
सीएमान सांगला आज सांज बसून आपण फाल्यां सांज बसून जो रेट आहा तो आपण ठरयता परवा आपली कॅबिनेटान आनी परवा आपण प्रेसाक सांगतलो योग्य तो तुमकां रेट दिवपाचो आपलो प्रयत्न आसतलो आनी जे आमचे आनीक गिरवणीचे जाल्ल्यो सगळे निवेदन दितून आसा त्यो बाईन सांगल्यार दिवाळी जावन 4 दिसांनी आपण बसून सगळे व्यवस्थित तुमचे हे निवडून दिता आमकां सांगला ते कितले करपाचे ते बी बाई ठरोवन सांगतलो कोणाक कशें रुटान कशें काम दिवचें कशें दिवचें कोणाक कितलें काम मेळचें काम कितलें काम मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत बॅन आसतलें हें सगळें तेजें एक हें रुमा तयार करून तो तुमकां प्रेसाक पयलीं सांगतलो आनी परवा सांगतो तुमकां सांगला.
Reporter Mahesh Gadi with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Goa's Chief Minister seems like representing Maharashtra. He is more concerned about Sindhudurg. This accusation comes from the anti-MOPA protesters, Goans for Dabolim only. Parrikar's statement at a political rally in Kankavli projecting MOPA airport as tourism boom project for Sindhudurg has invited controversy. Father Eremito Rebello says if MLAs are really bothered about Goa, then they should question the CM over this statement. Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai says actual plan behind the MOPA airport project is now clear.
आता गोव्याचा मोपा एअरपोर्ट येतोय पुढच्या 2-3 वर्षात मोपा एअरपोर्ट येतोय आणि हा एअरपोर्ट म्हणजे गोव्याबरोबर कोकणाला सुद्धा टुरिझम डेव्हलपमेंट करण्याची संधी आहे.
This is what the CM spoke at the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's public rally at Kankavli. The statement has sparked a controversy. Goa for Daboli only has objected to the statement.
He is having interests of Maharashtra at heart. The CM is behaving as if he is not the CM of Goa, but the CM of Maharashtra, who wants to develop Maharashtra at the cost of the poor people, farmers of Goa. सगल्यो फटी इल्यो ताजेच तोंडांतल्यान भायर सरतालो. हांव उलो मारता आमचे सगळे MLA आसात तांकां कान आसात तांकां दोळे पळोवंक आनी आयकूंक आमचो गोंयचो CM महाराष्ट्रा पासून कितें उलयता तो खरेंच तर आमचे MLA गोंयकारांचो आनी गोंयकारपणांचो मोग आसा. नाव इज द टायम रायट टायम टू टॉक कम आउट इन द ओपन अगेन्स्ट द स्टेटमेंट ऑफ द CM.
Fatoda MLA Vijay Sardesai also speaks on the same lines.
Prudent TV, म्हाका दिसता the Chief Minister has been caught with his pants down when it comes to MOPA. जी महाराष्ट्रीयन लॉबी वो MOPA एअरपोर्ट हाडपाक फुडें सरल्या हें आतां एक्सपोज जाल्लें आहा आनी सिद्ध जाल्लें आहा. मिकी पाशेको कायतू आबेळतान बेंजामीन येते कोण ते तिकलो सगळे मूविंग आणि रिजाइन जावचें आणि मायग्रेट जावचें सिंधुदुर्गाक.
The statements by the CM in neighbouring state has given anti-MOPA activist yet another statement to argue with. Savio Dice for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.